Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and immediately searching for Wallpaper to avoid menu digging. You need to know your Realme UI version so the correct path matches. Check about phone if unsure. Once done, prepare the static image you want to use. This prevents automatic cropping or animation. Make sure you're on the home screen preview when prompted, because Actions Now will determine whether wallpaper scrolling takes effect across pages or stays fixed. Next, long press an empty area of the home screen and pick Wallpaper or Wallpaper in style. Some Realme builds place the option directly in Settings under Wallpaper. Choose the home screen wallpaper and enter Preview or the small Settings gear. Here you'll see a wallpaper scrolling switch or an option labeled Fixed. Toggle it off or pick Fixed. This stops the parallax effect and ensures the image stays anchored. If you crop, make careful adjustments so the fixed framing looks right across pages. Finally, tap Apply or Set for home screen only so the lock screen remains separate. Once applied, check multiple home pages to confirm no sliding occurs. If the change doesn't persist, reboot the phone and, if necessary, clear the launcher app cache in Settings Apps Launcher storage. If you run a third-party launcher, open its settings and disable wallpaper scrolling there or switch briefly to the system launcher. That usually resolves conflicts when the system option appears ignored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.